Hi you guys, I'm back with another review. So today's review is a luxury brand review. It's a luxury foundation review. It's from Charlotte Tilbury. It's their Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Foundation, and I'm going to review this foundation for you guys. If you guys like this video, then give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't subscribed yet. Let's get started with the video. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Foundation. This is the outer packaging, and this foundation retails for rupees 4,000. This is the outer packaging of the foundation. It's a nude peach kind of a packaging with the Charlotte Tilbury logo right here, and everything about the product you need to know is in here in the back of the packaging. Also, the shade name is embossed at the top. My shade is 5 Neutral. Also guys, if you want to know where I got this foundation from, it is from Nykaa. Now Charlotte Tilbury is available in India at Nykaa. Also, it's a 30 ml product. Now coming to the actual packaging, let's take a moment and appreciate this super gorgeous, stunning packaging. I am 100% in love with this packaging. It looks so luxurious, it looks so stunning. Look how stunning it looks, the gold details, the cap, the actual bottle here. It's a frosted kind of a bottle, if you can see. I really love these kind of frosty bottles for foundation. It looks really good. And when you open up, it's a foundation with a pump, which is something I really love. I love a foundation that has pump in it. It's easy to use it that way. Also, you can find the shade name at the bottom of this bottle as well. Now I'm going to apply this foundation and show you the application part. Foundation blends super easy and seamlessly. As you guys can see, this one blends seamlessly also. It looks super fresh, doesn't cling to any dry patches or any area. Also, it gives a matte kind of finish. Like, it's not dewy, but it's also not super matte. It gives a certain kind of glow. So what this foundation claims is that this foundation reduces the appearance of wrinkles by 22% after 8 weeks of use. I don't know about that, but I really do love this foundation. Okay, it also claims that it boosts hydration up. It has a air cool for instant fresh feel on the skin. It is sweat proof, humidity proof, waterproof and transfer resistant. So this product is vegan friendly. So there's lots and lots of claims about this foundation, and I'm gonna tell you what I really felt. Now I'm gonna talk to you guys about this foundation, how I actually felt about it. I've been using it for 2 to 3 months now, and I'm ready to give you an honest review about this foundation. This foundation does claim that it gives you a poreless, flawless, airbrush finished look, and that is 100% true. I really didn't expect it will give a airbrushed look to your face. I have applied it on my face and immediately it gives a beautiful, flawless look to my skin. It almost looks airbrushed. Also, it blends out super easily. You don't have to work hard. You just have to tap it with your beauty blender and it's done, and it looks flawless. It's a very high coverage foundation, but it doesn't look cakey or super dry at all. It looks really skin like, but it has a lot of coverage. I don't know how they did that, but it looks really good, and it with just one pump I think you can cover your entire face, because I just use one pump of this foundation and I'm done. You might want to add a little bit more to your problem areas, like if you have acne or blemishes, you might want to add a little bit more there. But overall, this is a really good medium to high coverage foundation. This is super good high coverage foundation that looks good in photo and in real life as well. But being a high coverage foundation, it doesn't make your skin look cakey or something like you have put a very heavy layer of foundation on your face. It looks super skin like, which is something really shocking for a high coverage foundation, but it really does that. So they say it's a natural matte finish. Yes, it's not super matte, it's like semi matte. It's not glowy and dewy, but it's not super matte kind of foundation. It's something in between. Definitely this foundation makes your skin looking fresh for a really long time. I have been using this for a really long time. I used it for 4 to 5 hours or sometimes 6 hours, and my makeup stayed really beautiful and fresh. They do claim that it keeps your skin looking fresh, and I agree with that. Also, after application of this foundation, if I layer products up, it does layer really well. It doesn't crack or sometimes move the foundation. This doesn't do that. This foundation doesn't move. Let it be a contour or blush or highlight. If you apply it, the foundation doesn't move from the place. This foundation doesn't oxidizes on me. It's not written in the description part, so I don't know about that. Overall, this luxury product is really luxurious. I enjoy using this every time. I really prefer it over my other foundation. Yes, it's super beautiful. It looks beautiful, it applies beautiful, it stays beautiful. So the biggest question, is it worth ₹4,000? I might say that you can try any drugstore brand. They have a lot of good foundation, but I really love this one because I wanted that airbrush look, which this one delivers perfectly. If you want to spend a little more few bucks, then you can definitely go for this, for that flawless airbrush look. Otherwise, if you don't want to spend this much, you can totally stick to the drugstore brand. There are a lot of new and good foundation in the drugstore as well, which I really love as well. Let it be L'Oreal or Maybelline or NYX. Specifically, it's mentioned here that it's airbrush flawless foundation. I bought this because it said it's airbrush foundation, and it does deliver airbrush flawless look. I might have ordered another Charlotte Tilbury foundation, but I wanted airbrushed foundation, so I got this. There are a lot more. If you don't want airbrush look foundation, you can totally go for other foundations as well. So this is my review on this gorgeous airbrush flawless foundation from Charlotte Tilbury. If you guys like this review and the swatch and everything about this video, then hit like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.